Hey y'all, this is the tutorial video of our hop dump truck. I'm gonna do it with the music first and then break it down so y'all will understand it. Alright, don't mind my hair either.
Right, back it up like a dump truck. 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 Back it up, easy back it up, easy back it up, easy back it up, easy back it up, bring it back up, rewind, double D cup, 43-inch behind, booty do the onion booty, if you do you dance, drop it like a hot potato, do a 4-point stance, both hands on the ground, ass in the air, I'ma make you feel with your pants, hand full of hair, I met this thick ass broad, her name was Mona, she live in Sacramento, in the dorm, so I pint of tuna line, squeeze a Corral, she was on treat, took her home and I found.
Should I do it the other way this time?
I don't remember that.
Okay. Now I'm gonna break it down, Okay, so the first part, you're gonna use your hands, right, left, right. No, right, left, K, sorry. So the first part, right, left, K. From this side. Right, left, K. Alright, going on to the next part. Goes right, left, K, around, K. From this side. Right, left, K, around, K. Put that together. Right, left, K, around, K. Next part. Right, around, K. Then you're going to switch your feet. And then you're going to switch your hands and your feet. Start from this side. K. Switch your feet. Switch your arms and your feet. Okay, we're going to put that together from the beginning. Left, K. Around, K. Switch. From this side. Right, left, K, around, K, switch. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. So, we're going to switch. Then you're going to do left, right, here. So you're going to be right here. Switch, left, right, here. From the beginning. Around, okay, switch, left, right, here. From this side. Right, left, okay, around, okay, switch, left, right, here. Next part. After you hit here, you're going to roll, T, hit, clap. From this side. You're right here. Roll, T, hit, clap. From the beginning. Right, left, K, around, K, switch, left, right, hit. Roll, T, hit, clap. Right, left, K, around, K, switch, left, right, here. Roll, T, hit, clap. Got that? Okay, next part. T, hit, clap. I'm going to start from the T's. So it's going to be T, clap, hit, turn, step, twerk. Yes, sir. Do it from this side. you T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk. We'll start from the beginning. Right, left, hey, around, hey, switch, left, right, here. Twirl, hey, T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk. This side. Right, left, hey, around, hey, switch, left, right, hit. Roll, T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk. Twerk. Okay, so after the twerk, you're gonna step back with the T. So you're gonna step back and look back. Make sure you look back. So go this side, step back. Little step back. Move back on your right foot and right hand. So you're gonna be. That's next one. Okay. So step, look back, step back on your right. Step, look back, step back on your right. Okay. So the next part. Step, look back, step on your right, step up on your right. Your right hand goes up, left hand goes down. And you're going to jump on your right. So put all that together. It's going to be a step, look back, on your right, on your right. Step, back, on your right, on your right. So from the T's, T, clap, hit, turn, step, back, on your right, on your right. Okay. Do all that together from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. Okay. Around. Okay. Switch left, right. Here. Roll. T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk, back, on your right. Okay. After this part, you're going to turn, and it's like a what. So from this side, look back, on your right, on your right. Okay. So from the T's. So the T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk, back, on your right, on your right. Okay. Okay. So after this part,
It's still recording, right?
yeah.
It's still recording, right?
Yeah. Okay. After this part, what and 1 and 2. So from this side, what and 1 and 2. I'm going to start with the T's. 5, 6, 7, 8. T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk. Back, on your right, on your right. Okay? From this side. T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk. Wait, mess it up. T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk. Look back, on your right, and 1 and 2. Okay. After this, and 1 and 2. So So you're gonna keep the same movement. So when you and one and 2 and 1 and 2. So you're gonna keep like this movement. So and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Start from the T's. 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, hit, clap, turn, twerk, look back, look it right, and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. After that, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Then you're gonna muscle. When you do your muscle, when your right leg goes out, the left arm goes up. So, and it's opposite with the other side. So, after this part, and 1 and 2, muscle, muscle. And 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, muscle, muscle. Next part. After the muscle, you're gonna muscle, muscle. Then you're gonna K, 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 around, set, K. From this side. From this part. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Muscle, muscle. K, 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 around, set, K. Okay, so when you do the K's, K's, and then you K back this way, you're going to keep your leg right here. So you K, around, set, then K. All right. I'm going to go from this part. So it's going to be in 1 and 2. Muscle, muscle, K, 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 around, set, K. From this side. From this side. 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Muscle, muscle, K, 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 around, set, K. Okay. Next part. So when you K, around, set, K, it's like a short pause. So it's going to be K, around, set, K. Kick, shake, shake. From inside, we got K, around, set, K, kick, shake, shake. Okay, so with the shakes, we're going to start right here. Around, set, K, step, inside. It's going to be shake, shake. So you're gonna, that right here, that's when you're gonna go up. So it's a shake, shake. Okay. So we're gonna start from the K's. K, 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 around, set, K, hit, shake, shake. K, 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 around, set, K. Shake, shake. Okay. You got that? Next part. After you do the shake, shake, you're going to do right, left, T with your hands, blades. So it's right, left, T. Then you're going to go around with the sign, T with the sign. that again. You're right here. Right, left, T. Step with your right, turn to your left, around, T. From this side. Right here. Your palms facing the same way you're facing. So it's right, left, T, around, T. Let's take it. Around, T. So the first T, right, left, T. Your T into the right. So you spin, you're going to T to the left. Okay. So we're going to start with the K's. 6, 7, 8. K, 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 around, set, K, hit, shake, shake. Right, left, T, around, T. From this, which way? Start this way. So, right, left, T, around, T. Start with these. K, 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 around, set, K. Hit, shake, shake. Right, left, T, around, T. Start from this way. K, 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 around, set, K. Hit, shake, shake. Right, left, T, around, T. All right. That's the end of the hop. So we're going to do it all together without the music and then with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll, T, T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk, look back, on your right, and what? And 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Muscle, muscle, K, 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 around, set, K. Hit, shake, shake. Right, left, K, around, T. Okay. From this side. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, K, around, K, switch, left, right, here. Roll, T, T, hit, clap, turn, step, twerk, look back, on your right, on your, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, muscle, muscle, K, 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 around, set, K, hit, shake, shake, right, left, T, around, T. All right, now do it with the music. I'm really tired. If you got that, keep practicing. If you need to do it slow, find a slower song and practice on it.